Alright, we are going to be testing the two chargers I have. The old one, first one has a blue tape. We are going to be running the benchmark on Cyberpunk 2077. I don't know if you can see, it is running off 30 watt turbo mode. It is plugged directly, well, it's plugged into this, which is plugged into it. There's nothing else plugged into the charger. The cable here is reading that it is supplying 64 watts. We're going to record all this down as well. The meter is supplying 19.61 volts, 3.11 amps, and it looks like it's holding steady on that. There is only about a 30% charge on here, so it is drawing the max power it can so that it can run this benchmark and charge it at the same time. Alright, it is holding steady. Now we are going to unplug it. We are going to plug it into my dock and plug the dock into the charging. Okay, again, it is still running on 30 watt. Alright, the cable says it is now putting out 65 watts of power. The meter is reading 19.61 volts, 3.21 amps. So it looks like it's pulling just a few more, or 0.1 more amp to power the dock as well. Alright, now we are going to leave it how it is, but we are going to plug in the external monitor. Now let's turn that. Okay, now if you can see, the monitor is pulling a total of 11 watts. If you can see, there's the monitor. The meter, well, the cable is now reading, it's only supplying 41 watts. The meter is reading 19.67 volts and only 2.05 amps. And I don't know if we can see it. If we look up on the monitor, it is now running off of 25 watt mode. Alright. Now we are going to swap out everything and run the same tests on the second one. Let's make sure we're putting it in the right port. Alright, this is the second charging charger. It is running, it looks like 65 to 66 watts is what the cable is reading. Alright, our benchmark is over. Let's get it going again. And it is putting out the same 19.61 volts. Oh wait, nope, because we've got it plugged into the dock. I guess we can do the dock one first, huh? So docked, it is pointing out 65 to 66 watts on that. It is putting out 19.62 volts and 3.21 amps. So it's doing the same as the other one. Now if we go directly into the ally. And it is running off 30-watt turbo mode. And it is putting out 64 watts, like it should be. 19.62 volts and 3.11 amps, exactly like the other one. Alright, we're going to go back to docked. This time we're going to plug in the monitor. Alright, monitor's up and running. If you can see, it's in 25 watt mode. We are going to run the benchmark again. And it's putting out 41 watts, 19.67 volts, and 2.05 amps. Same as the first one. So